Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making crispy Brussels sprouts with bacon. These three ingredients, crispy roasted Brussels sprouts, will be on the table in just 15 minutes and are so delicious. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, slice the bacon into 1/4 inch thick strips. Add bacon to a pan on medium heat and cook until it becomes crispy. The bacon looks good. Now remove the bacon and set aside. Now let's move on to prep the Brussels sprouts. With a sharp knife, trim off about 1/4 inch of the stem. Remove any loose leaves, then cut the Brussels sprouts in half lengthwise. Now to the same pan, put the Brussels sprouts in, cut side down into the bacon fat. Cook them until they turn golden. Now we're gonna season with salt and black pepper. As soon as they start to brown, just like that guys, we're gonna flip them over and add about 1/4 cup of water. Then we're gonna cover with the lid and let the Brussels sprouts steam for about 3 minutes or until they are fork tender. Add red pepper flakes, then remove from the pan. Do not overcook the Brussels sprouts. We want them to be tender and crispy. And to the same pan, add balsamic vinegar. Bring it to a boil, then reduce to medium-low heat and simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes. Once it has reduced by half, add butter. Stir the butter around until it melts. Reduce it by half depending how thick you want. Turn off the heat. Add cooked Brussels sprouts back into the pan along with the bacon. Then mix well and your side dish is ready to be served. There you have it guys, balsamic bacon Brussels sprouts. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye my honey.